if you sniff it, yeah, you gonna smell it. But hey y'all, I'm here to show y'all how to do this DIY foam face mask. So let's jump into the video. First, you're gonna need an egg, then a silicone makeup brush, then a whisk, a bowl, and a tablespoon full of sugar. This is how I cracked my egg. I let it go through my fingertips so the yolk couldn't get in the bowl. So this was the best way to do it for me. This is going to be the hardest part because you got to whip that thing if you want that good foamy-like substance. But my arm was hurting. I had to take some breaks, so you got to do what you got to do.
2,000 years later.
Yep, still whipping. Before you apply this to your skin, you need to make sure your face is clean. So take them lashes off, them eyebrows, all that. You do not have to put a lot of this on your face because the liquid is going to be on your face regardless. But if you want it to be cute, have at it, baby girl. After you apply this to your face, you're going to need to let it sit and dry. You're going to know when it's dry because it's going to be crusty and tight. After it's dry, I prefer you to take it off with a warm, damp towel because you don't want to rinse it off under the sink and that stuff get in your eyes. See, it just got in my eyes and it burned. So just use a towel. Here's the aftermath. Y'all, my face is so smooth. It really feels like a baby's bottom. But all I'm saying is y'all need to try this mask. But make sure when you're rinsing it, get it all the way off because if it's sticky, it's still on and you don't want no sticky face. But
my face smooth.
As far as the smell, I couldn't smell the egg. It didn't have a smell. But if you sniff it, yeah, you're gonna smell it. But other than that, it doesn't have a smell. Make sure you wear like a shirt or something that you don't mind getting messed up because the mask is messy. As you can see, like it was sliding on down and stuff. If you liked the video, make sure you thumbs up. If you didn't, oh well, you just didn't like the video. But make sure you give me your feedback on how the mask did your face. Because it probably don't work on everybody's skin. But yeah, you should probably try more than one time just to make sure. But anyway,